Who are you and why are you here?
Hi, I'm Hanni. I'm a nutrition scientist and a researcher on food trends. Why am I here? First of all, Südtirol is a very interesting, very small, very lovely, very creative and culinary region. And today we were discussing about this.
How was your life so far?
I'd say there has been a couple of lives. I think life stays very interesting because of the chance to travel, and I really enjoy to get to know to different food cultures. I think I found my heart topic, and this is all about food, and it never gets boring. It's quite intense, even for the taste buds.
And what do you expect from your future life?
Well, I'm working with future trends, so I'm trying to build up my future.